Good evening, everyone. So, belated video again. Tonight's video I'm doing, hope the light's not too washed out. I've got some light set up because of the it gets dark early. So, belated video for my Sachs Dolmar 102 up on eBay for spares and repair. The saw came to me as a non-runner, and literally it just required a new plug. Again, the common thing, a crack all the way down the ceramic shaft of the plug. So even though it was showing a spark, it just wouldn't let this thing run whatsoever under compression. And a clean up of the fuel lines. And she seems to run beautifully. So I've had a couple of messages, why didn't you cut with her? So I thought, okay, I haven't cut with her. I'll cut tonight, first time. Anybody seen any of my other videos? I'm a huge Sachs Dolmar fan. I am. I think the West German engineering is second to none. I think it's spectacular. So these can run from a 12-inch to a 16-inch bar. This is a 39cc engine, and they make around, I think the stated power is 1.7 kilowatts, so around 2.3 or 2.4 horsepower. Chain brake working, chain oiler as far as I know is working. It's got the original felling spike fitted. Okay, let's see how she cuts. I've got some very nasty gnarly wood. It's about 13 inches across. Kill switch. Oh, good compression. Well, guys, wow, she's like a little razor blade. So she cuts absolutely fantastic. That may want slightly leaning out, tiny bit rich maybe, but that cuts really, really well. Wow. And if I have any other wood here that I could take I'll take another piece just off the front of this one again. Alright, let's show it on a restart and do another cut. So, kill switch, throttle lock. Okay, guys. Wow, what an amazing saw. Again, this is one which I can't understand now why I haven't spent some more time cutting with her. So that's about, there's a 14-inch bar, so it's about 15-inch timber across. Okay, there she is. That's my Sachs Dolmar 102, going up on eBay for spares a repair, and she cuts really, really well. Guys, thanks for watching. Any questions, please just ask. Anyone want to come take a look, you're more than welcome. Bye for now.